Yes, this is the entrance to the waterfalls. Indeed, this place is a very warming place and is very attractive to be at. I did
Yeah.
have some rest,
Come on.
some vacation,
Okay.
and at this place,
Okay.
it's just located at Agogo, Idiom. They call this mountain the Umbrella Mountain. See how it is. See how it's been carved. Nature is beautiful. Wow. Yes, this is the time we started a camping net. Yeah, it's already done. And the place was a little dirty, so thinking about how we will make that place neat. As neatness is a hallmark. We always like our environment to be neat, so this is how we did the cleaning. hmm Uh, in fact, this place is very nice. After cleaning the place, yeah, we bent all the refuse, is making the place very conducive and welcoming and very attractive to be at, like a home. Yes. After cleaning, we chatted small. The weather was so cold, so we couldn't enter into the water because how is the water is chilled and you enter, you freeze. Yeah, yeah. See how that place is welcoming and beautiful. Well, indeed, this place is very welcoming, and you need to visit this place. Well, it's just located in Asante Akyem Agogo. Uh, Nature, indeed, is very beautiful. Wow. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and share so that it will encourage me to do more. Because I have a lot of places that I'll visit, and I will always let my viewers see everything detailed. This is one of the places I have currently gone to. Yes, and this is the place where the water really falls at, as I have made mention in. Yeah, yes. You see, this place